like riding your bike? The seat. That's because your bottom is not used to riding several days in a row. Okay? That's not the seat, that's your bottom. Come on. Yeah.
I did it! I did it!
You did it! Come on now. Put your bag out, put it on.
Celine beat us!
I'm sure Celine has beat you.
Yeah!
Never got around to editing yesterday because we had some internet problems. Hello. I'm over here, sweetie. Hey, Bella. Oh, Bubba. Come on in. Come on, Spot. Come on. Spot the magpies. Those things get vicious. What's the other one? Hi. Hello, Spot. Hi, Caesar. You're really moving around, aren't you? Shame you won't take your thumb out enough long enough to start crawling properly instead of head shuffling.
You say my lady colour.
You're done. Good deal. Put your bag.
We Celine.
Celine's still at school, sweetie. She finishes after you.
Mommy, it's too hot.
I know it's hot. You have to wait. Can you do it, Dani?
I want some fresh.
You're doing it a little awkwardly.
Mommy, I want some fresh.
Yeah, the fresh air will come in when Mummy puts the key in. Mummy can't put the key in until Dani's got her seatbelt on.
Could you do it yourself?
Yes, let her do it. You know your sister's little Miss Independent.
So this is my sister.
You're Blake's little sister.
No, this is my friend.
She can be your friend, but she's also your little sister.
No, Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah,
Daddy's your friend, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, see, we were talking about Dani.
That's my friend.
Can you do it? Woohoo! Well done, Dani.